Hello students, I am Dr. Vijay Kumar Kulkarni, Associate Professor. In this video, I am going to explain the working of working with the tables, or how we can use the tables for our documents. In the previous videos, we have discussed about saving a document, creating, opening, printing, and formatting the text. So today in this video we shall discuss how the tables are created and how we can work with the tables. One of the most common formatting elements you will use in Microsoft Word are tables. There are few methods you can use to create the table in Microsoft Word, but importantly we can use insert table, draw a table, or copy in a table from elsewhere. So let us see how to create a table, how to draw a table, how to fill the tables in this video. When you open the MS Word, the first screen, there to add a table in the Word, in the blank existing Word document, you have to press Insert tab. You have to press in the Insert tab beside the Home tab on the ribbon bar. See here, Home is there, beside that Insert tab will be there. You have to click here. After clicking, this will display a drop down menu with various options. So in the various options you are getting table, insert table, draw table, Excel spreadsheet, the others. Once pressed, the table will be inserted onto the page using the number of rows and columns we have to select. So when you press a insert table option, then a window opens. In that one we have to mention number of columns, number of rows. ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೋದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ ವಿಂಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ದು ಕಾಲಮು ಮತ್ತು ರೋಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, again we have to press or click on the insert, then below the insert table draw table ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಆ ಡ್ರಾ ಟೇಬಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮದು ಮೌಸ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಥರ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ pencil, in the same manner we have to draw the table by using the pencil. Then we have to make the rows and columns. First we have to draw a rectangle box, then we have to draw inside the table to add column and horizontally add row. So this is how a table can be inserted by insert table and manually, that is by draw table. Let us see this, or let us do this practically. See here, I am clicking on the office button. So in the office button, nothing will be there. Beside home, I am having an insert tab on the ribbon. I am clicking here. See, the table option will be there. In this table option, when I click insert table, here see, insert table, draw table, Excel spreadsheet, quick tables. So in the insert table, I am clicking insert table. A dialog box or a window opens. Insert table. Table size it asks. Number of columns, by default it takes 5. Number of rows, by default it takes 2. So I am changing this one. So 5 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 6 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. 2 rows ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 4 rows ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು. 1 2 3 4 ಬಂತು. 4 rows ಬಂತು. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನು 45. ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋದರೆ, ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ. This is how the values can be inserted in the table. Suppose I want to add one more row, then just go on, press the tab key up to the last column. Again, after reaching the last column, if you press the tab key on the keyboard, the one more row will be inserted. Okay, then you can fill. Okay, this is how we are drawing the table by clicking insert table, then we are filling the values. Suppose I want to insert a column to the right of the last column, then keep the cursor in the last column, click right button of the mouse, insert column to the right, click on it, on a column will be inserted to the right of the existing column. Now you can fill the values. Okay, suppose you want to insert a column to the left of the left column of the existing column in center. Take the mouse pointer to that column, click right button of the mouse, click on the insert, then select insert column to the left, click it. A left blank column will be inserted. So this is how we are inserting. So let me make it color inserted. Okay, so this I will fill. I have filled with the color. As I have entered the values, that will be with color. Okay. So this is how we have drawn a table with using the insert table. Now using the draw table. For that, again clicking on the insert tab on the ribbon, clicking table, here clicking on the draw table. See, automatically my mouse pointer is turned as the pencil. So I am drawing, first of all a rectangle box will be drawn, then I am making the columns. How many columns I need? Now rows. See, but the thing is, all cells are not uniform. This is the difference between insert table and draw table. Okay, let me deactivate that pencil. Now you can fill the values or enter the values as it is by using the same number pad and tab. Okay. So this is how we have drawn the table by using draw table. So this is about the working with the tables in the MS Word. So once again I will repeat what we have discussed. To work with the tables in the MS Word, first of all we have to draw the table. For that one, click on the insert tab beside home tab in the ribbon. In that insert tab, again we found insert table and draw table. When you first click on the insert table, then a window appears. There it asks the number of columns and number of rows. By default it takes number of columns as 5, number of rows as 2. If you want to change, you can change number of columns according to your requirements. Then click on OK. The table with the required column and rows will be appeared with the equal width of the cells. Then you can enter the values in that one. And how to get a blank column to the left, blank column to the right, next rows we have seen by practically. Then the second option, draw table. When you click insert tab and in the table, if you click draw table, the pointer will be turned to a pencil. Then by using that pencil we have to draw the table. First when you draw, it will be a rectangle box. In that one you have to insert number of columns and number of rows according to your requirements. Then you fill with the values. Okay, so this is how we have discussed in the today's video working with the table. That's all. Thank you.